In this video, I'll show you how to stop Temu emails, alright? It is pretty easy to do. I know how annoying it is to receive Temu promotions, order updates, and chat messages all the time. Now, the way to stop Temu emails is just by opening up your Temu app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the use section right here at the very bottom. Just go ahead over to the top right. As you can see, there is a setting icon. Just tap on it. Now in here, you're going to want to locate notifications. All right. Now in here, as you can see, you have the three options that includes email on it, promotions, order updates, and chat messages. Now we want to tap on edit right here. First up in promotions, tap on edit. And as you can see here, you can also tap on push if you don't want to receive any push notifications right here at the top of your screen. But as the title suggests, as you can see here, my email has been already toggled off. Now what you would want to do is just toggle this off and you're good to go. Now there are two more left. Tap on order updates edit right here. Tap on this one to turn it off. Another one here is the chat messages. Tap on edit and toggle this off. All right. Now once you're done with that, you won't be able to receive any promotions, order updates, and chat messages from Temu. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.